How to fix Instagram followers count freeze. Hello guys, so all what you want to do is simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and then go to the apps again right here. Now all what you have to do on this page is wait a few seconds. It will start loading and scroll like this until you find Instagram. Click on it. Now all what you have to do on this page is click on the data usage and make sure that all those options right here are enabled like this, and then go back, click on this force stop, and that's it. And after that you have to restart your phone or just turn it off and on again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.